Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, let's clear one of the most confusing topic, future tenses. Don't worry, by the end of the video you will know exactly how to talk about tomorrow and beyond. So, let's go. There are few common ways to express the future in English. First one is will plus verb. So, this format is used when there is some decision made for future or there is some prediction. Then we can use will plus verb format for expressing the future tense. Suppose I will call you later. Here I have made the decision that I will call you later. Another one is it will rain tomorrow. So I am predicting that it will rain tomorrow. So this is the prediction and before one was the decision. So for these two cases, decision and prediction, we can use will plus verb for future tense. Second one is use going to plus verb. This format is used particularly when you have planned something or when we see something is about to happen, then we can use this format, going to plus verb. Let's take some example. I am going to study tonight. So I have planned to study tonight. That's why I am using going to plus verb format. Another one, the train is going to leave the station. Here we can see the train is about to leave the station, so we are using the going to plus verb format. Third one is use present continuous for future. You will use this format when you have arranged something. Example, I am meeting my friend tomorrow. We are traveling next week. And the fourth one is use simple present for future. When there is some timetable related thing or scheduling related thing, we can use this format. Let's see some example. The train leaves at 6 p.m. The movie starts at 9 p.m. So there are some timetable related thing, some schedule related thing. So we can use here simple present tense. But some common mistake many people do, they always use will. If you use always will, then it's okay. But if you want to sound like natural, then you have to follow this four format. Suppose I will meet my friend tomorrow. It sounds okay, but less natural. Better if I use I am meeting my friend tomorrow. It sounds natural, more natural. One more thing, when you are promising something or when there is a case of promise, try to use will. Suppose I will support you. This is the case of promise. So try to use will for this particular case. And the last one, try to use going to for intentions. Take example, I am going to learn English seriously in this year. So this is my intention. Here in this kind of sentence, try to use going to. This small difference make your English sounds more natural. So that's all future tenses. It was very simple. Try making 3 sentences using will, going to and present continuous. Write them in comment section, I'll check it. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.